Good evening everyone. Today we have a placed candidate from Prospiders Rajajinagar where she completed her courses and got placed in a company. Now she was here to share her experience of Prospiders. Now she will share her experience.
Good evening. I was joining Prospiders in 5th January 2024. It's very beautiful experience for me because it is help for me. I will improve my communication skills and English knowledge because I am a Kannada medium student. I am coming to Prospiders and I will improve my English skills. And first I will start my class in operating system. I know sir. Next SQL and MS Office and PD classes. It's very good experience for me and help for me. Thank you.
Congratulations. Do well.